Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends. So in this video we check how to install a Windows Server 19 operating system. Okay. So in this lab we are going to create a virtual machine in Hyper-V, and inside that we are going to install your Windows Server 19 operating system that's newly released by the Microsoft. So first of all, I'm going to discuss about some prerequisites. So there is a list of prerequisites, like for the CPU, for the processor you need at least 1.4 GHz processor, and this processor must be 64-bit and compatible with x64 instruction sets, and you need at least 512 MB RAM. And if you are going to install your Windows Server with GUI, you need at least 2 GB of memory. And for the storage, you need 32 GB of storage. It's minimum requirement. And you need a network adapter, so you have at least gigabit of network adapter. Okay. So first of all, we download the ISO image for Windows Server 19. Then we will start our installation. So I'm going to my host server, and here first of all we download image. Okay. So open your Microsoft website, or you can simply search here Windows Server 2019. Okay. Then you need to go on first link, on this link, and here click on this, try your Windows Server now. So we are going to select this Windows Server 19 on premises. So download a free trial. So there are some versions like Windows Server 19, Windows Server 19 Essential. So you need to download this one, Windows Server 19. So it's free for 180 days. So you can perform your practice labs on there, but you cannot use this server for the production environment. For the production environment, you need to purchase a license for this server. So I'm going to download this Evolution version, select the ISO and continue. So you need to fill some details here, like your name, select your language, that's English, and you can click on that download button. So it will start your downloading. So I have already downloaded this server. That's approx 5 GB. The size of this server is approx. It's 5 GB, 4.93 GB. Okay. So now let's start the installation. So in our first video, we look how to install the Hyper-V on your server. So I'm going to open my hypervisor. And for the different virtual machines, so what we do, we create a separate folder. Inside that folder we store our virtual machine. So for different virtual machines, I have created a folder here. It's Hyper-V. So I will store by all the machines inside this Hyper-V folder. So first of all, we are going to create a new virtual machine. Next, provide your virtual machine name. So it's Windows Server 2019. Select your location. So it's in my D drive Hyper-V. Select. Next, select generation 2. So it support the 64-bit operating system and provide the UEFI based framework. And provide the RAM. So I'm going to provide the 4 GB RAM to this machine. Next, configure your network. So I'm going to connect with my public network. Next, hard drive size. So I'm going to provide the 32 GB of hard drive. Next, installation media. So here we need to choose our ISO image. So it's in our download. So choose your installation media. Next, and it's okay. It will take few minutes, so a few seconds. Yeah, your machine is ready. So now first of all I'm going to connect this machine. Connect. And now I'm going to power on. So when I power on, it's asking press any key to boot your CD or DVD. If you miss this option, you can reboot your machine again and press any key. So I pressed enter. So to start the startup. Okay. So there is the installation media. First interface. So here we select our language, time and currency format, and your keyboard method. So I'm using all these. The English, United States. Next. So click here, install this button. Okay. So here you have your additions. So which additions you want to install? So I want to install the data center with GUI. So this one for the GUI, this one for the core. Okay. So I'm going to install with graphical interface. Next, look that it's a 64 base architecture. After Windows Server 2008, Microsoft not releasing any 32-bit operating system for the server. Okay. Accept your license. Next, choose custom. So because we want to make a new installation, and select your hard drive. Next. So now your installation has been started. So it will take few minutes to complete this installation. Okay. So let's wait to install this. Now it's ready. So now you need to set the password for your administrative user and use a complex password. Now you are done. Now let's log in. So press Ctrl Alt Delete. You are in. So setting your profile, and this is your first screen of your Windows Server 2019. So like that, it's get IP address from the network. So it's completely look like the Windows Server 2016. Okay. So your Windows Server 2019 Data Center Edition. Try to manage with servers using the Windows Admin Center. So this is your server manager. You can manage your services. You can make new services to this interface. Okay. So like that, you can install your Windows Server. If you want to manage your IP address, your name, you want to add some role and features, so you can put your role and features from here. Add role and features. So we have installed Windows Server 2019 Data Center, and the license is valid for next 180 days. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe this channel for new videos and new updates.